So I arrived to my room, and I was in room 6205, and that is in the 6th building on the 2nd floor.
The air condition goes off, that's automatically.
Okay.
Right here.
If I open the door for the balcony, it goes off?
Exactly.
Okay.
Here to the mirror, this button right now is not gonna work. It works only at night. It turns on the lights outside to your balcony.
Okay.
This one is for the air condition. Right now it's about to be like 72 Fahrenheit. Do you feel that's good? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Back here, if you put your hand in, there's a little thing that it goes up and down. That's for the fan.
Okay.
Up to turn it on, down to turn it off.
Okay.
In the other side, we have the for the lights. We can change to orange, purple, white. Chic is for the mirror back there, and master will be all your room.
Okay. So this is the lightest it get in here?
Exactly. There's one in this one and one in the next to the door.
Okay.
In the tablet, if you go on services, just press in dining room, and as you can see, it's breakfast, lunch, desserts, and late night. This is 24 hours, so right now we'll be allowed around lunch. Just change the picture, and if you like something, just put that to the order. If you see about the drinks, in room drinks, usually this is all that you have in your minibar, but there's some juice prepared that they can send you to.
Okay.
Hourglass Leisure, they will be for all the activities for the day or for the week. Monday, 2 of July, this is all the activities. First is the time, place, and the kind of activity. In here you can see about the spa, you can see about the room control. Room control, you can control the air condition and the lights from here or directly to the panels. And the packages, you can get these packages. This button is not working. I need to check that one. Perfect. Okay. The packages, you can get them from concierge.
Okay.
In the closet, it's the safe box. 4 numbers. This is a little bit slippery. Be careful with that.
Okay.
Safe box. 4 numbers to activate. You choose the 4 numbers.
Okay.
You think that 8 hangers is good enough?
So y'all, in this closet, they had a extra pillow and blanket, 2 robes, 2 slippers, an umbrella, safe, iron, and this scale right here. This is what he was talking about. You can use it for your weight, or you can use it to weigh your bag. I thought that was a good thing they had in there. And that safe was pretty big. You can actually fit your laptop and anything else you want to fit in it if you chose to use it.
This scale, you can use it for the back, for the luggage.
Okay.
En un check-in, ahorita me acerco. Okay. In this side, this one is for your privacy. When you don't want to be bothered, imagine that you order the room service. No? They will call you because they saw that light. When they call you, you can tell them, please leave the food in the magic box.
Okay.
This is the magic box?
Y'all, he went through it quick and he didn't really show it. But this is where you put your plates and stuff once you get done with your room service.
Okay. This one is a minibar. Minibar is completely included. If you want to grab something, we restock once a day. If they already came and you need more beers, more soda, water, anything. From the tablet, you can order more.
Okay.
Ice machines, 2nd and 4th floor.
Okay, so guys, he was kind of busy, so I truly don't mind giving y'all the rest of the room tour. That was just the toilet. It was a phone in there because I guess as often as they call the room, you need to really have that phone handy because they call the room a lot. And this is just the vanity area. Now what they had for toiletries, that was just like a little nail file, nail kit, a shower cap. They also had a sewing kit, and believe it or not, that little small bottle, that was insect repellent. you definitely need that going there. And they even had an incense. I brought my own incense, but they had a burner and incense that they will give you every day too. And so this is the shower. The shower was huge. It was clean, and it did remind me of the other shower at the Breathless stayed in Montego Bay. It was pretty much the same, but it was real spacious, clean, and the shower gel was actually inside the shower. And if you could see, the glass is clear. So if you stand with somebody, make sure they got a curtain. You can shut the curtain if you need to. But um, that's just a little stool right here. I guess you could sit there in that mirror that I just showed you. You can do your makeup or whatever. But it was a king size bed, so it was plenty of room, spacious, and I just wanted to play with those buttons one more time because that was kind of neat the way the background changed like that. And y'all, this ceiling fan, when you cut it on high, it blows out so much cool air. And so you can actually turn your AC down if you needed to. This couch was so hard. I didn't really get to sit on that. It was too hard. That's just a little chair is hard also. So this is the patio area. They definitely had somewhere for you to sit. Um, they had three chairs out there, and if you wanted to lay down on this right here, you could just lay it back and lay down. They also had a table in case you wanted somewhere to sit your drink or your food if you wanted to eat out there. And that's my view. It was beautiful.